We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night, in our bones we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up.
Hey, Mami, happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Thank you very much for being our mom. So yung daddy, thank you. I thank God na binigyan kami ng mami, ng parents na kagaya mo, na mabait, charot. Pagmahal, lahat ng faith at very energetic, very lively at magician kasi lahat ng nahawakan mo, nawawala siya. Lahat ng nahawakan mo, naaayos. So, ito ay isang problem solver. Thank you very much. And, sorry if di ako nakauwi kasi, tutok na po. So, I'll see you. Tignan natin kung makakawi ako next month or nagtong taon. Ayun. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And sana ay relax lang dyan kami kasi kami na ng mga kapatid ko at mga hipag kong bahala sa'yo. At, relax lang sa birthday mo at mag-enjoy ka and good health and many more years to come and happy birthday. May God bless you and our family always. Thank you. See you soon. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Masasabi ko, she's one of a kind. Hindi siya chismosa, hindi siya kampinera, hindi siya mga ganon. Ano siya? Napakabait ng tao. Sister Beth, dito kami nakikisaya sa iyong kaarawan. Sana marami pang birthday na kagaya nito ang ating pagsamahan.
That's full in a dance floor made of grass. Your blue eyes make me wanna make this evening last. Put on an old song, put on that new dress. Tomorrow's coming but it ain't here yet. We got stars outside.
Ito yung kaibigan kong napakabait, napaka-supportive. So, Mariko, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, good health always. At huwag kang magbabago. Love na love ka nun, barkada.
At saka sana magkaroon pa siya ng mabuting kalusugan, long life, and then happiness always.
By the good memories that you make, by the joy that you give to others, and by the love and compassion you give especially to the needy. Si Beth meron lahat nun. Nobody can deny it. At sa oras na ito, talagang pinagmamalaki ko na ako ay naging bahagi ng kanyang buhay. Beth, I hope na you will be, I thank you for being a part of my life. And I hope that you will remain to be one until the last drop of my life.
Sa message ko kay Ate Beth, stay healthy, stay happy, Ate Beth. Sana maraming birthday pa yung abutin mo.
Happy birthday, BFF. I love you.
So lose shoes and dance with me tonight.
makalimutan mo pa yung mga magiging asawa ng apo mo. We love you so much.
Thank you po sa pagmamahal niyo po sa mga apo niyo at thank you din po dahil pag laging napapagalitan si BJ. Basta ma-thank you po. Love na love po namin kayo. Hindi ka namin iiwan. Daddy, love you, man.
Pasensya sa lahat ng pagkukulang pero ginagawa namin lahat namin. Eh? So, I love you.
Salamat po sa inyo dahil inaalaga niyo po si Mami. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yun. At kita niyo naman po, kakasasayaw niya. Hindi sumasakit sa tuhod. Parang kayo yung sumasakit eh, no? Ang iyo po dalawa. Happy birthday po and mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Sama ng mga asawa namin. At mahal na mahal ka namin eh. Salamat po ulit at happy birthday.
I got this feeling rising